Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna make a trendy and attractive thumbnail for our YouTube channel. You can make however you want. This is only the process and the method so you can understand better. Make sure to see our other videos. As a growing YouTube channel, it motivates a lot. Before going into the video, please like and subscribe. Let's guide you from here. So, the research. It is the first and most important step in making your thumbnail. Before just start making your thumbnail from scratch, it is better for you to do some research, see how other popular YouTubers make their thumbnails. As for me, I like these thumbnails. After the research, open Canva. It is better for you to have Canva Pro, but you can still make it. There are several tutorials how you can get Canva Pro for free, but if you want me to make one, just let me know in the comments. Once you have opened YouTube thumbnails template on the Canva, just select whatever color you want on your thumbnail. For me, I am choosing a gradient color because to me it looks better than a simple one color background. After adding the color to your canvas, we are adding some lines grid so that it creates a bit of a depth to the thumbnail. You can select whatever color of the grid is per your thumbnail. So now, I am adding a picture of a person, which you will see why. Remove its background because we don't want our thumbnail messy. You can get pictures from here. Most of the pictures here are free and it have a vast library which you can access. By going into shadow, and by clicking glow, you can add glow to any object. This is very easy and efficient. And if you want this type of picture, you can go to PhotoKit website. I will give the link in the description. Make sure that it goes behind the person so the thumbnail doesn't get messy and look awful. And also keep in mind that both pictures are equal in size. Now the next thing is to make the pictures blurry so they don't take too much attention. So now, I'm adding the Canva logo on the person's face, which gives an impression that the thumbnail that it is made on Canva. You can get that logo from Google just by searching Canva logo. Remove the background from the logo. Adjust its size. Now add the glow to logo, so it does not completely look different in the thumbnail. Now add the text, so the viewer or the other person knows what's inside the video. Make its color bright so it is visible easily. And now add some more details about the video to thumbnail so it is easy for the other person to click on your video. And there you go, now you have completely made a good attractive thumbnail from which you might get high click-through rate. And no, just download it and upload it with your video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more great content. I truly appreciate your support and love hearing from you, so feel free to leave a comment down below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. And remember, you are amazing, and your presence here means the world to me. Until next time, take care, stay positive, and keep spreading those good vibes. See you in the next video.